If you have not made whole chicken in your air fryer, you are missing out. Whole chicken is one of my all-time favorite things to make in the air fryer. It comes out so soft, so delicious, and so juicy. You cannot go wrong with it. Here are a few things to note when making whole chicken in your air fryer. Number 1, use the roast function or the chicken function. Number 2, stay between 175 and 190 degrees Celsius, depending on how big your chicken is. Number 3, if you include something sweet in your marinade like I did in mine, please know that it will caramelize and char, also known as burn the chicken. So you can wrap your chicken in baking paper for the first 40 to 45 minutes, then open it to brown afterwards. Personally, I love the char. That's why I didn't wrap mine. Number 4, I set it to 1 hour, but my chicken was done in 50 minutes. Start checking from 40 minutes. But don't worry, even if it overcooks a bit, it will be juicy and delicious. Number 5, after bringing out your chicken from the air fryer, let it rest for 15 minutes before cutting. This allows the juice to redistribute and your chicken will not be dry. I'll see you again tomorrow.